Now we'll write down one code using nested loop. See this, we'll go with the same program. Only change is that we just want to print all prime numbers in an interval. Just want to print all prime numbers in an interval. Means suppose you entered one number 100, we want to find out all prime numbers from 2 to 100. Okay, so just modify the same code here. So this is our program. Print all prime numbers in given interval. So interval we will consider like 2 to n. So now n is not a single number. N is not a single number. For n also we need to write down a loop now. Okay, so here we'll do one thing. See, understand, we are modifying the same code because already in this code we have written a code to check whether number is prime or not. So that code we want it only in previous case we are checking it for one number only. Now we want to check it for every number between this range 2 to n. So here, see here now n will be we'll just change the name here. We'll say NUM. Okay, so just to not confuse here. So here we are saying enter interval. So this will be your end of interval, NUM. Okay, so we'll write down one loop for this now. For n in range 2 to NUM plus 1. So suppose you entered value of NUM as 100. Okay, so this loop will work. Its value of n will be now 2 to 100. And for this value of n, now we want to write down this code here, which is already there. We'll just indent it now once again. Okay, now forget about this condition if, so eliminate this part. So this is our loop code we have written, this one, to check whether number is prime or not, and that all code we have taken inside another loop now. It starts from 2 and it runs up to number. Okay, now in this case we just want to print prime numbers, so there is no need of this message now, is not a prime number, so forget about this. So here we are only breaking loop, and here also we'll only print this number instead of printing like prime number here. So here this is a nested loop. One loop is there, for loop, which runs from 2 to respective value. This for loop works for every number and it runs from 2 to n, and it checks whether this is a prime number or not. If it is prime number, we are just printing it over here. Run this code. Here we are entering interval as 100, so it is printing all prime numbers from 2 to 100. Here you can check all prime numbers from 2 to 100. So this is how we can make nesting of loops. We can even nest it while to for to while,